Hello, what's up guys? Nandito na naman si Mr. Bean TV. Pag-uusapan lang natin itong pahayag ng Philippine Coast Guard sa ginawang pangharas na naman sa ating mga barko na nag-resupply doon sa ating Ayungin Shoal doon sa nakasadsad na BRP Sierra Madre. So bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo. Let's go! Yun nga, ayon dito sa balita, the United States stand shoulder to shoulder with our Philippine ally in the peace of the People's Republic of China. Repeated harassment in the South China Sea at US State Department official said. Yun, nagpahayag na nga yung US na talagang shoulder to shoulder ang suporta nila dito sa Pilipinas para masupil tong ginawang pangharas ng China. So pakinggan natin statement ng Admiral na si Admiral Ronnie Hale Gaban.
Do not align with the universally accepted behavior of coast guards. Ironically, they are supposed to ensure safety of life at sea, but they have deliberately violated the Convention on the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, or COLREX, of 1970, to which the People's Republic of China is also a signatory state. The dangerous maneuvering such as shown by the Chinese Coast Guard vessels are illegal, reckless, and irresponsible actions that puts into question and significant doubt their narrative of law enforcement and their identity as Coast Guard organization. The Philippine Coast Guard, on the other hand, has acted responsibly, consistent with operational rules based on international law and other IMO conventions that aligns with the peaceful and rules-based norm among Coast Guard organizations in the region.
So ayun nga, narinig nyo ang statement ni Admiral Gaban. Kaya China and America are flexing their aircraft carrier muscles in the South China Sea. So may mga aircraft na nga yung US doon sa South China Sea. Tapos yung kaalyado natin na Japan, nagsalita na rin. Coast Guard getting 5 new vessels from Japan. Kukuha daw yung ating mga Philippine Coast Guard ng 5 bagong vessel na galing sa Japan para makatulong sa ating mga resupply mission. Sa kabilang banda naman tayo mga idol, si House Speaker Martin Tambalos Los Romualdez na mahagi na naman ng bigas. Ito yung sabi sa balita, some 3,000 resident from Bukidnon benefited from House of the Speaker Martin Romualdez cash assistant and rice distribution card program after the initiative was launched in the province Saturday, November 11. So nagpakitang gilas nga to si Speaker Martin Tambaloslos Romualdez doon sa Bukidnon na mahagi ng rice assistance sa mga kababayan natin doon sa Bacolod City. So anong masasabi nyo mga idol? Sa kabilang banda naman tayo mga idol, the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development is set the turnover next month a total 288 housing unit for informal settler family and low income earners in Bacolod City. So yun nga, magto-turnover na yung ating Department of Human Rights Settlement sa Bacolod City. So hanggang dito na lang. Lagi kong sinasabi, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, hit ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga balita na katulad nito. Hanggang sa muli, bye bye, hasta la vista baby.